Sephora.io. Is it a scam? Is it legit? What exactly is it? Is there any payment proof? What is going on here? I don't know. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so there's some big red flags right off the bat. We've seen this in lots of sites. $25 bonus sign up. Lots of scam sites, by the way. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Sephora.io. But they call themselves Norton Cash. Start working with Norton Cash. Terms of service page. By accepting the website at nortoncash.com. And by the way, Norton Cash is just another website that's the same exact site here. Look, Norton Cash. Same theme, same web page, same everything. They just copied the website, basically. Oh, God. Let's see, testimonials. This is the Norton Cash. Let's go back to the clone site or whatever. I don't know who knows who's clone. But let's take a look at this, actually. Let's take a look at... All right. Where's it at? Let me find this here. Okay. With over 352,000 members, Sephora has helped earn over $12 million in 2019 alone. 2019 alone. Okay, so that's really interesting considering if you do a who is data search of this website, it's, let's check it out when it started. Wow. September 9th, 2019, they created this site. So what day is it? It's November, 3rd? November 2nd? So September, October, 2 months. Not even 2 months because this is the end of September. So that's interesting. So wow, in a month they claim they paid out that much money already. Let's see what else we got going on here. Their testimonials. These are interesting too because you could go on Fiverr and hire actors. I've shown in many of my other videos. But if you actually go to these videos on YouTube, let's just go right to the YouTube page. You'll see that these videos were created October 13th, 2019, or uploaded that date. So, come on. Let's go and let's log in here. See what else is going on. Complete a task and earn. Okay, win cash. Do this in 5 minutes, earn $55. Okay, well, start task. They're going to want you to spend money on this stuff. Install an app from the App Store, run this thing, whatever, download the app. That's it. Enjoy. Run the app for 30 seconds. We cannot verify downloads unless the app runs for 30 seconds. So obviously, you got to do this on your phone. But I'm not going to do that because I'm not on my phone. So let's go back to here. Skip this already. Are you sure you want to skip? Yes. Okay. $1,000 gift card. Yeah, right. It takes you 3 minutes. And you get $25 and a $1,000 gift card. So let's just try that. Start now. Enter your email address, unlock the content. See, this is nonsense because they are going to take you to a different website completely together. Now, this is how they make money. National Consumer Center, even though the website's called Online Promotion USA.com. And do you like to shop online? Of course, yeah, whatever. Question 1 of 3. How long are you planning? Yeah, like you're going to give a $1,000 card to a friend. Let's just say keep it. This is ridiculous. Okay, I'm not putting my email in here because I'm going to get spam mail. But they're going to basically, charge you for something at some point. Must complete 4 offers. Tier 2 must complete 10 offers. Yeah, they can charge you. So to buy all this other stuff, it's such nonsense. Such nonsense. Anyways, I would stay away from this site. It's just junk. That's my 2 thoughts. That's my opinion. If you've used it, put your comments below. Check out my channel. I have hundreds of videos about making money online. Check out my #1 recommendation in the top link in the video description below as well. And I will talk to you soon.